Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is my evening night routine video. I'll be showing you guys what we typically do on a daily basis in our nighttime routine. So now I'm on my way from picking up the kids from school. I went and picked up my grocery order and we are now home putting the groceries in the house. Now that I'm editing this video and looking back, I'm realizing that my son did not help us with these groceries, and usually he do. So he got away with it this time. He lucky I was filming and I didn't really pay attention, but his butt should have been helping us. But anyway, so now that after I put the groceries in the house, I usually take my dog out of her kennel because we be gone all day, and I just don't let my dog linger around the house because I know her that she gets into a lot of stuff. So we take her out the kennel, and then we take her outside to use the restroom, give her some water and a snack, let her play around, get a little energy in, because little dogs like that, they love to play, they love to run around, they have a lot of energy. So I'm letting her flex her energy outside right now. And so our dog name is Bella, and she is a spoiled dog. Like, she loves attention. So right now I'm just giving her that attention that she loves. Look at her. She gets so wild and crazy. Anytime we rub up on her and love up on her, she just goes bananas. Like, she loves attention. She has a lot of energy. She loves to play. She loves to lick on us and just love on us. She's a lovable dog. So now that I've gotten Bella out of her kennel and got her moving around, got her snack, I'm going to put these groceries up in their rightful places. Usually I don't typically buy groceries in the evening. I like to do that like on the weekends or like in the morning whenever the kids are at school. But on this particular day, I was very busy, so I had to get it was a Walmart grocery pickup order. I had to get the order after I pick up the kids from school. So this is not typically what I do. But sometimes, I do, but it's not a typical, evening routine that I do. But that was included in today's routine. So usually after school, my kids go and make them a snack. On this particular day, they wanted some French toast sticks. Those kids be very, very hungry whenever they get home from school. That school does not, give these kids enough portions of food. So like Madison, I usually bring her a lunch. But like Madison is very picky. And sometimes she just does not eat, what I put in there, even though she asks for it. So they usually come home and be very, very hungry. So I'm allowing them on this particular day to eat some French toast sticks. And I try to encourage them lately to make their own snacks because they're getting older and they need to be more independent. So usually after the kids eat their snacks, we usually lay around a little bit, watch a little bit of TV, relax. On this particular day, we decided to take the dog for a walk, and Madison wanted to ride her bike without her training wheels for the first time. So yeah, she's 6 years old, and we're trying to get her to learn how to ride the bike without her training wheels. And Landon, he's practicing with his basketball, and we're just giving them some quality time with us in this evening, doing a little bit of outside activities. So I decided to leave a little bit early and come back inside the house while they're still outside playing. And I wanted to whip up a quick meal, so I am making spaghetti. So while I'm cooking, I'm going to give you guys this video scripture, and it comes from Hebrews 11:6, and it says, "And without faith it is impossible to please him. For he who comes to God must believe that he is, and that he is a rewarder of those who diligently seek him." So the spaghetti is complete, you guys. This is the plate. It's not that much aesthetically pleasing because this is a kid's plate, and I usually cut up I cut up Madison's spaghetti noodles, but I need to stop because she's getting older and she needs to learn how to eat the spaghetti noodles on the fork. But my kids enjoy this meal, and yeah, so now I am cleaning up my kitchen while they're eating. I like to get like a head start. So I'm putting the dishes in the dishwasher. I'm going to be wiping down the countertops and doing my nightly cleaning routine. So I don't know about y'all, but it may seem excessive, but I usually do exactly what I'm doing every night. I do not like to go to bed with a dirty kitchen. Every now and then I give myself a little bit of grace and leave a few dishes in the sink and stuff, but like I just love my house to be clean at night. When I wake up in the morning, I gotta bring the kids to school, get them ready, and I don't want to be getting ready in a dirty house. So this kitchen and that dining room and living room has to be vacuumed. It has to be cleaned up and straightened up before I go to bed because it makes me feel so much better. We also have a fur baby and she sheds hair everywhere, so I make sure that I vacuum this rug, even though it's going to get hair on it again. I don't want it to accumulate and pile up and we have hair in our food and stuff. So I vacuum, I clean up, I straighten up every night. am putting Madison in her bed. Her brother is currently taking his bath, so she's on her way to sleep. Yes, they do sleep in the same bed because Madison is still adjusting to sleeping in her own bed, but at least she's not in my bed no more. Now that the kids are in bed and stuff, I'm going to bathe myself, get myself all cleaned up, having some me time in my shower and stuff like that. I didn't show y'all everything that I did because it's kind of hard to film while I'm taking a shower. I don't know how these influencers do it because I'm scared I'm going to wet my phone, I'm going to wet my camera. But after I bathe, and I do have on a towel, guys, if you're wondering, I'm not naked. I have on a towel. I'm doing my facial routine, and y'all have seen this routine before. I don't do anything serious, but just use some face wash, and I put on some moisturizing lotion. And that's all I'm going to be doing as far as my facial routine. My hair, y'all, it's been rough these past few days, but yeah, so after that, then I usually just lotion my legs, moisturize that because black people can tend to get ashy, especially after they get wet. So I'm moisturizing my legs, my feet, and my arms, and that's what I typically do after I bathe. And usually before I go in my bed for the night, I check on my kids, make sure they still breathing, make sure they're alive, make sure they not up in the room doing all kind of stuff. And I adjust my temperature to 68 because my house got to be cold. And look at my husband, y'all. He fell asleep on the couch. I ain't going to bother him. I'm going to enjoy my Netflix in my bed by myself. I'm going to let him go in there, stay in there and sleep. Okay? So typically I go and I, basically have some me time. I like to watch a little bit of Netflix, maybe even eat a snack before I go to bed. That's what I love doing in my nighttime routine. And that about concludes today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can see more content from me. And I thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.